My name is Alewijn Dippenaar and I'm the coordinator of the 26th George Old Car Show that will take place on the 11th and the 12th of February 2023. This year it's going to be a magnificent car show. When you enter the showgrounds, the first thing you will see is the great Italian collection of Ferraris, Fiats, Alfa Romeos, Lancias, and don't forget the Vespas. If you've ever been in Italy, you know that there's Vespas everywhere. The show is a great show. Last year we extended the area with a further 10,000 square meter. That gives us a total of nearly 60,000 square meter that will be under old cars, new cars, built-up cars, hot rods, Jap classics, trackers, stationary engines, small model cars, and don't forget this year 2 beer gardens, so that we can make sure that nobody in that temperature of Saturday, expected about 27 degrees Celsius, is going to be a day that you're going to get thirsty. So the area is great this year, the layout is great this year, and we welcome each and everybody. But just maybe a little bit about the cars. You know, when people start collecting cars, and when they started the Southern Cape Old Car Club, there was 3 words that was very special when they started the club. The first one was to bring people together who collect old cars. Then the second was to restore the old cars. And then lastly, to exhibit the old cars. Now what you see every year at the George Old Car Show is the exhibiting part. But in the background, there are hundreds and thousands of people all over the world that go to extreme lengths of collecting old cars, finding them in a store somewhere, in a barn somewhere, outside in a rural area under a tree, and then bring these old cars that is in pieces and sometimes not even with engines. They bring them together and they spend thousands and thousands of hours to restore these cars, that we can have a George Old Car Show and exhibit all the beautiful hard work that everybody have put together to make sure that the history and the beauty of old cars will stay alive until many years to come.